If you're using Node.js and you don't know how many versions exist, you might be running the wrong one, because Node.js is not just one single version, it's multiple versions, all running at the same time. In this video, I'll show you how many Node.js versions actually exist, how the lifecycle works, and how to know which one you should be using in production. Here is the first thing you need to understand. There is no single Node.js version. At any given moment, there are multiple versions active. One current, a few LTS, some in maintenance, and many already in EOL. And each one behaves differently. Now, this is where everything clicks. Every Node.js version follows the same life cycle. Step 1. Current. Fast moving, new features, not focused on stability. After about 6 months, step 2. Active LTS. This is a stable phase, production ready. Then, step 3, maintenance, only critical fixes and security updates. And finally, step 4, EOL, no updates, no fixes, no support. And this is the life cycle. Every version goes through this. And you don't have to memorize this, you can actually see it. Each row is a version, each color shows its stage. Green current, blue active LTS, gray maintenance. This table shows all versions and their current status. For example, version 25 current, version 24 LTS, version 22 LTS, version 20 LTS but approaching EOL. And here is something important. Each version has a code name like Node.js 24 Krypton, Node.js 22 Joth, Node.js 20 Iron, Node.js 18 Hydrogen. These follow alphabetical order, usually elements. So when you see a version, you're also seeing where it sits in the life cycle. So how many Node.js versions exist? As many as are alive in the life cycle. Some are being created, running production, being phased out, or already unsupported. And this is not just theory. If you are in production, using the wrong version means security risk, unsupported dependencies, long-term instability, and systems don't fail instantly. They degrade over time. Node.js is not a version, it's a moving system. So every version you choose is a trade-off. If you're running Node.js in production, you should always know which version you're on and where it is in the life cycle. And this leads to the next big question. What happens when your version reaches end of life? Because that's where the real risk starts. In the next video, I'll break down what happens when Node.js 20 reaches end of life and what you should do immediately. If you're working with Node.js in production, you don't want to miss that. See you there.